paradise. He flew into the gap and then he crashed. He tries many times and fall at the sunrise. He don't wanna wait to grow, and with himself it clash. The bird walks in a fake fog every day. Like this he forget the pain, he forget his shit. For don't think, don't rock one's brains. He think about this relief, short and sit and kill their pain. But by the time and the time degrade, the bird no tries more to fly anyway. And that's a tumble, he no looks more, no smile more, and always brought in the dark. But by the time and the time degrade, the bird no tries more to fly anyway. And that's a tumble, he no looks more, no smile more, and always brought in the dark. Comes a dove who getting to know him, who see further and deep inside the wreckage, who show him that he can fly too. But she know how she could never fly. So a day the dove decide that it's time, and he know he will have to put all his strength for never return to the big fog. He climbed at the highest branch of the highest tree. Using the dove, they get the momentum to jump into the void with eyes closed. When there is